Welcome to Zurban Auto. Today we are changing the oil on a Lincoln MKX with a 3.7 liter engine. This is a 2011, so let's get started. First thing, here's your oil filter.
So there's your filter.
Need to know that in a minute. And there's the drain plug. So I like to start with the drain plug. 15 millimeter socket to break it loose. Lefty loosey, righty tighty for all the beginners out there. It's a good idea to change your drain plug every couple oil changes, or at least the seal on it. This one could have been done for sure this time, but we didn't have one. Here we are down in Mexico getting his oil done so he can get back to the States. So I told him next time, get a drain plug, and I could also see that somebody used a 12-point, which I don't prefer. Much safer to use a 6-point socket.
Oh man, he cranked this thing in there. Let it flow.
Okay, once you got your oil filter removed, clean the surface where the oil filter seal touches and make sure your old seal does not remain there. The torque spec on this was 20 foot-pounds for the drain plug. Whenever possible, I love to pre-fill the oil filter. This allows you to build oil pressure quick and gives your bearings more life. So pre-fill on this one, it's straight up and down so you can fill the whole thing, which I love that design. Some are like sideways and you can't get much oil in them. So I like this. So once it touches, then you want to turn 3/4 turn to tighten.
There. So I go there, that's lots. Done.
Clean all remaining oil residue. That way you can see if you have a leak once you're done the job. This engine calls for 5W20 and we are putting in synthetic. It takes about 5.5 quarts. So I like to add 5 and then check the level. Once you're in the zone, you're safe, you're above the lower dot, you can start the engine up for 5 seconds to build up the oil pressure and then shut it off. To be more accurate with your oil level, you want to have it off for at least a few minutes and on a level surface. And once you've done that, you can check it and just top it up little by little till you get it to the full line. You don't want to go over your max line. This one ended up taking the full 6 quarts. Lastly, you want to reset your oil life. So go into settings, vehicle settings, oil life, and hold down the OK button to set it to 100%. Once it tells you it is reset, you are good to go until the next time. Consider subscribing, and I'll see you next time.